everyone, welcome back to Twashta. This question is from CSIR NET 2019 paper from section B. Strain A mice were crossed with strain B mice and first generation F1 mice were obtained, that is A cross B F1. A scientist then implanted thymectomized and irradiated A cross B F1 mice with a B type thymus and then reconstituted the animal's immune system with an intravenous infusion of A cross B F1 bone marrow cells. The chimeric mice were infected with lymphocytic choriomeningitis virus or LCMV, and the spleen T cells were then tested for their ability to kill LCMV infected target cells from the strain A or strain B mice. And it is asked that which one of the following is the correct outcome of the experiment. Option 1 is LCMV infected target cells from strain A only will be killed. Option 2, LCMV infected target cells from strain B only will be killed. Option 3, LCMV infected target cells from both strain A and strain B will be killed. And option 4, neither cells from strain A nor from strain B will be killed. So let us first try to understand the question. It says strain A mice were crossed with strain B mice and first generation A cross B F1 mice were obtained. Next, a scientist thymectomized them to remove the thymus and irradiated them to render the immune system non-functional. Basically, the existing cells of the immune system, including the hematopoietic cells or the bone marrow cells, are killed by irradiation. Next, the scientist implanted thymectomized and irradiated mice with thymus of strain B and reconstituted the animal's immune system with bone marrow cells or hematopoietic cells of A cross B strain. Now, these chimeric mice were then infected with a virus named lymphocytic choriomeningitis virus or LCMV. Please note that it is a virus and viruses are intracellular pathogens. So their antigen will be presented on MHC1, and antigens presented on MHC1 are recognized by TC lymphocytes or cytotoxic T cells. Now the question asked here is that if we take T cells from the spleen of this animal, will it be able to kill LCMV infected cells from strain A mice, strain B mice, both, or none? I hope you all are aware that MHC molecules are cell surface proteins that hold and display antigen to T cells of the immune system. And an important point to be noted is that the expression of these MHC molecules is codominant. That is, in a cell we have two sets of chromosomes, right? One from the father and one from the mother. So the MHC molecules from both the chromosomes are expressed. And unless they are homozygotic twins, MHCs are different in every individual. Keeping this in mind, let us go back to the question. MHC type in strain A mice will be different from that of strain B. So the strain A mice will have, let's say, type A MHC, denoted by HA here, and strain B mice will have, say, type B MHC, denoted by HB here. And their progeny, the A cross B F1 mice, will have both type A and type B MHC, denoted here by HA/B. Now, another concept that we need to know here is the development of T lymphocytes or T cells. T cells originate from bone marrow cells or hematopoietic stem cells present in the bone marrow, and they migrate to the thymus for maturation. Maturation includes learning to differentiate between self cells, that is the cells of one's own body, and non-cell cells like the pathogens. For this to happen, precursors of T cells are subjected to positive and negative selection in the thymus. During positive selection, which happens in the cortex of the thymus, only those T cells are selected which bind to self MHC molecules. That is, they develop MHC restriction. The T cells are now restricted to identify self MHC molecules only. Next, they are subjected to negative selection, which happens in the medulla of the thymus. And the T cells that bind with high affinity to MHC bearing self peptide are eliminated. This is done to ensure that the T cells do not attack one's own cells. Now, with this information, what can you infer about the question? Well, the A cross B F1 progeny mice have both type A and type B MHC, but the thymus that was implanted is from strain B. So the thymus will have type B MHC. And the precursor T cells that will go to this thymus for maturation will be restricted to identify and provide response against only type B MHC cells, right? So, what do you think? Which type of LCMV infected cells will these T cells kill? I hope you are able to figure out by now that it is LCMV infected cells from the strain B mice. And that brings us to our correct option, that is option 2, which says LCMV infected target cells from strain B only will be killed. Thank you.